Ever wished you could take an old, blurry video and make it look brand new, sharper, clearer, and even in higher resolution? That's exactly what we're doing today. I'll show you step by step how to use Wondershare UniConverter to enhance video quality, restore details, and even compress files without losing that crisp look. This is Next-Gen AI Lab, where I share simple AI and tech tricks to help your content stand out. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. All right, let's jump in and start enhancing your video.
All right, let's get started. We're going to use a tool called Wondershare UniConverter, and honestly, it's like an all-in-one magic box for editing and enhancing videos. Quick, go to your browser, type in Wondershare UniConverter, or you can just click on the link I left below in the description. That link will take you right to the download page. Once you're on the UniConverter page, download and install the tool. It works on both Windows and Mac, by the way. Once it's installed, open it up. You'll see a clean interface with a bunch of features on the left panel. We'll start with one of the most powerful tools, Video Enhancer. Click on that. Now upload the video you want to enhance. This could be anything, an old YouTube video, a phone recording, or something low resolution you grabbed online. Once your video is loaded, you'll see 4 enhancement options: quality restoration, face enhancement, denoiser, frame interpolation. For this example, I'm going with face enhancement because the clip I'm working on is only in 480p, and honestly, the faces look pretty blurry. So I click on face enhancement, and then I choose the output resolution. I'm going 4x up, which means this video will go from 480p all the way up to 1920p. Next, just choose your file location, basically where you want it to save, and then click Export. Now just sit tight for a moment while it processes. Once it's done, you'll be amazed. Let's zoom in to take a closer look. This isn't just about increasing the resolution number, it actually improves the visual quality. You'll see more details in the skin, the lighting looks better, and the video just looks way more professional. Oh, and here's something cool. You can use the same face enhancement tool for animated characters or AI-generated avatars. So, if you're working with animation or AI video content, like me, this is a game changer. It really sharpens the eyes, smooths the motion, and brings everything to life.
Now let's try a different option.
Quality restoration. This one's perfect if your video has no faces, like landscape shots, product demos, or anything else. Click on Quality Restoration, upload your video, and again, it won't change the resolution size, but it still boosts clarity and makes everything look cleaner. You'll notice the difference right away. Another powerful tool built into UniConverter is the video compressor. Let's say you want to upload videos, but keep the file size small, especially useful if you're sending clips to clients or uploading with slow internet. Click on Compressor, choose your video file, and from here, you can select either Basic or AI Compression. For now, I'll go with Basic, set the quality to 60%, and keep the format as MP4. You can also tweak advanced settings like frame rate, resolution, or video encoder if you want more control. Once it's ready, hit Compress, and boom! Your file is now much smaller, but the quality still looks solid. Last but not least, this software can convert over 1,000 different file formats. Just head to the Converter tab, upload your file like .mkv, .mov, .avi, whatever, and choose your output format. In my case, I'm converting a few videos to MP4, which is widely supported everywhere. You can apply settings to individual files, or just apply to all with one click, super easy.
And that's how you can take a blurry, low-quality video and turn it into something sharp, clear, and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to NextGen AI Lab, and share it with a friend who might need it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.